I do now. So today, all rise and stand. Today is June the 10th, 2024, and this is a court action. All rise and stand. This is a sovereign living Article 3 Moroccan consular court action, live and recording. I am the sovereign living justice Ayishah Elbe, in capitis domination nolo, in proprio persona juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio hauratus. No United States Cooperation Company citizen, nor their agents, principal heirs, assigned, nor any derivative thereof has personam jurisdiction, nor territorial jurisdiction, nor subject matter jurisdiction over me, nor over any Moors. We are here today. We are here today, June 10th, 2024, by way of Moorish American Consular Court, audio and online video. This is an audio and online video. Does not diminish the power and authority of the Moorish American Consulate Court of Law. We, the people, the Moorish National Republic Federal Government, and the Moorish American Consulate, as well as the Moorish American Consulate Court, have brought this cause of action. As we get started, let it be noted for the record that we have at least 2 or more Moorish Americans present as witness to this cause of action. The cause of action recorded number is 0000224-2024. Notice to appear for unlawful occupation on sovereign, original, and indigenous sacred, ancestral sacred burial ground. Sufficient notice has been given by certified mail on Monday, June 10th, 2024, as well as notices that have been given over the past years. Because this cause of action is unlawful occupation on sovereign, original, and indigenous ancestral sacred burial ground, sacred burial land, all corporate persons doing business under the United States Cooperation Company has been commanded to appear here at the Moorish American Consular Court to state your name and nationality for the record to the people who are the Moorish National Republic Federal Government. Court protocol is such that I, Ayishah Elbe, as governing justice, will go down the list. There are 3. This number changes according to your number of debtor corporate entity debtors involved in this court action, which includes several subsidiaries, departments, and or characters. If any corporate person representing the corporate entity debtor whose name is called is present, you must state your name and nationality. Those who answer will be acknowledged and noted for the record. Once the list is complete, I will come back to each corporate person who is present and ask you a few yes or no questions. The only response to these questions should be yes or no, and no question will be answered at this time, after which I will give each respondent an opportunity to make a brief statement no longer than 1 minute in length. Be advised that your words and conduct must be respectful of this court and the Moors at all times. Otherwise, you will be found in contempt and immediately removed from the court conference call and online video. Therefore, I will now begin the list. I call forward the following corporate persons, DBA, that is pretending to be the de jure government. The people, if you are present, you are commanded to state your name and nationality for the record. Notice to agent is notice to principal, and notice to principal is notice to agent. First, I call Mary Ford. Mary Ford, DBA as Chief Executive Officer, Trot Law PC, all assigned agents and heirs. Are you here, Mary Ford? Number 2, Marie Albu, DBA Attorney for Partridge Investments 24 LLC, all assigned heirs and agents. Are you here, Marie Albu? Next is Danny Eagle, doing business as Chief Executive Officer, Partridge Investments 24 LLC. Are you here, Danny Eagle? Are you here, Danny Eagle? Leslie Ghost. Leslie Goldstone, DBA, Senior Director Operations, all agents, assigns, and heirs. Next is G. David Gunn, doing business as 67th District Court, Genesee County Judge. 67th District Court Judge, Genesee County, Michigan. all agents, assigns, and heirs. Next is, are you here, David G. Are you here, G. David John? Next, Celeste D. Bell, doing business as judge, 7th Circuit Court, Genesee County, Michigan. All agents, assigns, and heirs. Next is Christopher R. Swanson, doing business as sheriff, Genesee County, Michigan. All agents, assigns, and heirs. Are you here, Christopher R. Swanson? Robin P. Ashley, doing business as Chief Executive Officer, S&N Service and Cooperation, and all agents, heirs, and assigns. Are you here, Robin P. Ashley? Next will be Jane Fraser, doing business as Chief Executive Officer, City Finance, all agents, assigns, and heirs. All rise and stand. Let it be noted that for all of the cooperative persons called, this includes any and all heirs, agents, assigns, and principals. Other than those names called, if there are any foreign agents, assigns, principal, or heirs present, you are commended to state your name and nationality for the record to the people who are the Moorish National Republic federal government. Seeing that there are no respondents, we'll move on. As it stands, none of the cooperative persons named called have responded as commanded. It is clear that there are no cooperative persons present as commanded to appear to state their name and nationality for the record. Therefore, let the record show the cooperative persons' names called have failed to appear to state their name and nationality for the record, and silence is agreement. Therefore, let it be noted, pursuant to civil orders issued July 4, 2014, as it is stated, despite every act of abolition and declaration of prohibition against both peonage and slavery, it has been the policy of the so-called U.S. government to enslave the natural people of the land as well as the citizens, and to operate as a rogue state among the nations of the world. Your acts of violence against the people must come to an end. Therefore, your judgment and remedy is self-executing. All of your commerce and all agents, principals, heirs, and assigns are hereby terminated by way of sovereign universal commercial code 1 lien. This court action serves as official notice that you are guilty of unlawful occupation in the sovereign, original, indigenous, sacred, ancestral burial ground, and you are hereby sentenced to be arrested and placed in jail until such time to be deported to Puerto Rico, Guam, Guantanamo Bay, Cuba, or whatever place that is willing to take you. As Moorish American nationals, we are the law, and we remain in honor at all times. This judgment is complete, and court is hereby adjourned.